Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your savings rate with HSBC. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HSBC online banking account. Navigate to the accounts section to view your current balances. Identify your savings account and click on it for more details. Check your current interest rate and any fees associated with your savings. Consider setting up automated transfers to your savings account. Decide on a percentage or fixed amount to transfer each month. Access the transfer settings within your online banking portal. Select the frequency of transfers that suits your budget. Review your monthly expenses to ensure the transfer won't disrupt your cash flow. If available, explore savings tools offered by HSBC to track your progress. Look for any promotional savings accounts that may offer higher interest rates. Consider using an HSBC budgeting app to manage your finances effectively. Evaluate your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. Redirect those savings into your dedicated account. Regularly check your account to monitor your savings growth. Set specific savings goals to keep you motivated. If possible, take advantage of any financial consultations offered by HSBC. Review your savings strategy every few months to ensure it aligns with your goals. Stay informed about any changes in interest rates that may affect your savings. With these steps, you can effectively increase your savings rate with HSBC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.